Replacing your Jeep key fob battery can sometimes cause it to lose synchronization with your vehicle's system. This happens because the fob communicates with the RF hub, or radio frequency hub, in your Jeep. When the battery is removed, the fob signal can be interrupted, or the RF hub may enter a sleep mode. The most common solution is to relearn the key fob to your Jeep or reset the RF hub. Most fixes are DIY friendly. First, try the relearn procedure. Insert the key into the ignition. Cycle the ignition from off to on 5 times within 10 seconds without starting the engine. Then, press any button on the key fob. Your vehicle should respond with a chirp or light flash, indicating successful synchronization. If relearning doesn't work, you can try resetting the RF hub. Disconnect your Jeep's battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear the RF hub's memory. Reconnect the battery, and then repeat the key fob relearn procedure. Use high-quality batteries to avoid voltage drops.